3-inch hair, yours came in a pack. Camel toe fat, you can see it from the back.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be making my own wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Two scrunchies, weaving cap, "12" closure, here's what the hairline looks like. It's pre-plucked. It comes with baby hairs. Little to no shedding, but the 27 color does shed a little bit more. The bundle is very thick. Little to no shedding. "12 ombre human hair bundles with closure, body wave, 3-tone T1B 427, 14, 16, 18 with a 12-inch closure. The price is $89. Shipping took very quickly, 2 days, without Amazon Prime. Combs, thread, needle, T-pins, hair glue, scissors, and a blow dryer. Flip your wig cap over so you can start sewing the combs on the wig cap. Pin your comb to the wig cap. Right here I'm about to start sewing. Create a knot so the thread won't go anywhere and get loose. You want to create 3 or 4 knots. Start sewing over and under.
Hitting and in no time, I better make this one mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But it's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
You don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I see all out and you looking, I never say a word.
I'm done sewing, so I'm cutting the thread off. Right here, I'm about to show y'all how many combs I sewed. So 3 combs in the front. And 1 in the back for extra security.
You don't know what you mean to me.
Put your closure on the wig cap an inch away from it. So when you finish sewing the closure down, you can cut the inside of the wig cap.
For you, no matter what I do, all I think about is you.
Comb your hair so you can start sewing the closure down. I'm about to cut the wig cap so you can see the lace. The whole time making this wig, you want to use T-pins and glue and a blow dryer and keep on measuring it. I'm doing a flip over method with 2 bundles to prevent a lot of shedding. When you cut your tracks, it does shed a lot more.
You mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
Right here, you want to glue the tracks going horizontal.
You got me so excited. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started. Oh, boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I'm not gonna fight it. I want it all the time. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. And I can't deny it. I'm on you, I'm on you. I'm doing this little dance for you. You got me so excited. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started.
I'm about to cover up the tracks, spray some water on it and comb through it.
Honestly, I'm
dig with no complications. You just need some. You just need some.
I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back. Cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit.